It's been over a year since e-Invoicing was rolled out to businesses in India. However, there are still several businesses who struggle with a fast and error-free e-invoice generation. I am sure that at some point you have asked yourself if you have made the right choice with your e-invoicing software and if you are paying the right price for it. And if you are using Excel-based tools, then I bet that you constantly worry if your e-invoices are free from errors. In this video, I will give you a special insight into how Clear handled data transformation for e-invoicing for a major South Korean company. And by the end of this video, I will tell you how to improve your e-invoicing experience too. Hello and welcome, I'm Annapurna from Clear, from the makers of ClearTax. It is India's largest tax and financial services platform. Clear serves more than 3,000 large enterprises and more than 4 lakh growing businesses. Do subscribe to our channel to get clear explanations of GST updates and other finance concepts. A major South Korean manufacturing company was eligible for e-invoicing from 1st October 2020. The company maintained a centralized accounting software managed by their global SAP team in South Korea. Getting an ERP integration for e-invoicing through an Indian third-party service provider was also not an option due to the IT security rules of the company. The company faced several challenges with their e-invoice generation. The data fields on the company's invoice format were not in conjunction with the e-invoice format. Out of total 40 data fields required by the company, 15 data fields were either missing or not in line with the GST requirements. The company had to manually make changes to the data before uploading it to the government portal. This proved to be a massive hurdle as the company followed a just-in-time or JIT approach for invoicing. The company's data was spread over multiple different files and could not be easily extracted with sales register. Combining data from several sources required huge amount of manual efforts and increased the chances of errors. Due to the above issues, other service provider could not satisfy the company's data transformation needs. So, do you want to know how Clear took on the challenge of data transformation for this South Korean company and provided them with a faster, seamless invoicing experience that saved over 600 man-hours? Before I proceed, if you would like to ask us any e-invoicing queries, then please drop them in the comment section of this video. Here's how Clear handled these major data transformation issues for the company. 1. We ran a detailed data analysis. ClearTax first undertook a detailed data analysis of the data that the client maintained on their ERP versus the data required for e-invoice generation. 2. We identified gaps and ensured accuracy. Next, ClearTax identified data points that were missing in the client's ERP and the areas where smart data transformations were required. ClearTax also ensured data accuracy at every level. 3. We built a customized tool to cover the gaps between the formats of the client's ERP and the invoice registration portal or IRP. ClearTax built a customizable Excel macro tool. The tool would take care of all types of sales as well as all existing or new customers of the company. 4. We undertook advanced data transformation. With the help of customized developed Excel macro tool, we did the data transformation in approximately 15 data points and used more than 250 plus custom logics in the same. So how did Clear's e-invoicing solution impact the company? Clear's e-Invoicing solution provided the company with a host of benefits. We saved the company over 600 hours of manpower per year. Our customized tool enables seamless, faster and error-free e-invoice generation. Our simplified processes eliminated the need for manual intervention. We enabled a seamless flow of data back into the ERP for future use without system integration. We assured them of an always up-to-date solution in line with the changing laws. And finally, we ensured business continuity. If you would like to know how you can simplify e-invoice generation for your business with a value for money solution tailored for your business's needs, then stay tuned. Clear's e-Invoicing is India's leading e-invoicing solution that is trusted by over 3,000 large enterprises. First, Clear e-Invoicing is fast. We offer the fastest IRN generation. Users can bulk upload 1 lakh documents in just 20 minutes. 2. Clear e-Invoicing is reliable. Ensure business continuity with 99.99% uptime with 6 ASP/GSP backup servers. So far, over 65 million e-invoices have been generated on our platform. 3. Clear e-Invoicing is smart. 150 plus intelligent validations ensure error-free IRN generation. In case of any e-invoice generation failures, an auto retry feature saves your time and efforts. The Clear e-Invoicing solution also offers its users unique features such as unparalleled scale and performance, smart and future-ready, end-to-end automation, best-in-class data management, data security, 360-degree customer support, exceptional trust and reviews, a single stop for all compliance. I am sure that you want to see how fast and user-friendly Clear e-Invoicing solution is. Here's a quick demo of Clear e-Invoicing solution given to you by one of our product experts.
We look at the new e-Invoicing and e-bill software by ClearTax. Create an account. Land on the page and enter the email ID for which you want to create an account. Click on continue. Provide the password for which you want to create this account and click on sign up. Once you click on sign up, the account would be created and a few steps on personalization would be present. So here, please enter your phone number and click on receive important updates on WhatsApp to get important updates on WhatsApp. You can also provide your name and business name, the organization, and choose your role at the organization. Click on the turnover that the company is having annually and click on next. Also choose the method through which you want to import data into ClearTax, that's Excel, Tally or ERP. Click on next. This will help us personalize the account for you. Next is to enter the GSTIN for which you will be creating e-invoices and e-bill. Connect with the e-invoice portal so you can add the NIC credentials that you have already set up on the government portal. Provide the credentials and API password. Click on save and submit and your account on ClearTax will be created. Now the next method is to choose how to get data into ClearTax. Again, it would be Excel. I'd upload data in government Excel format. Click on next. Click on the file that you have already prepared and import data into. Once the data is imported, you can click on proceed to review, correct any errors on screen and start generating IRNs. So any errors in the Excel file would be visible on screen. You can click them and start generating IRNs. So the summary of invoice is not generated and failed are visible. Then there is import history visible. I can select businesses. There are quick actions that can be taken. There is product feedback that I can give. Also notifications, then product guide and raising a ticket. Of course, I can sign out from here. So this is the dashboard page, which is like the home page. Now going to the invoices tab, there are filters available on the left on the basis of date. Then you can select business, document number search, then status, supply types, taxable amount, these kind of filters are available. And also the invoice list is available on the screen as well, with a lot of data available. So there are, like, if I want to ingest or import some data, then I can click on upload invoices, and this is how I import data. So there is a government template for generating e-invoice and e-bill together, or just any invoice. I can also create my own custom template, or there are options to generate any e-bill, which is for the IRN document types or any document types. That's import, export, delivery challan and all this. Now I can select invoices in bulk and go for e-invoice creation. So I would select these, then I would click on generate, and while it is getting generated, I can also look at other options, maybe try and look at the thing. So there is one which is generated and two more which are failed. So I can check out the errors by clicking on this and also edit the details. So on this screen, I get all the details of an invoice available. So that's seller details, buyer details, value details, shipping and dispatch, line items and transportation details. So everything is available. So that I can edit details for the failed and not generated invoices. So that's how it is. Now there is one invoice which is generated, the others were not generated because of error, and I can take action based on the error. So this is a generated invoice. I can take further actions on this, like go for a print. There are multiple print templates available. Then I can also go for a cancellation of an IRN, cancellation of an e-bill, or email this to my customers, or download a report of all the invoices that I have on my screen. So this is the upload and generation of an e-invoice, and then I also have an e-bill screen where again the similar filters are available. Then there is invoices displayed on the screen. Any invoice that I just created, these would be pending for e-bill creation. So I can just click on the invoice, go for update transporter details, and try to update the transporter ID, and go for update and generate e-bill. This would create the part A of the e-bill. Also, I can take other actions like update, change to multi-vehicle, or extend the validity, delete pending invoices, or download a detailed report. Also, I can go for a e-bill print, which is basic and detailed, and there are options to generate a consolidated e-bill. Now, next thing that we have is the import history, where I can check all the files that I have imported and take actions on it. That is either review. If there are errors, I can fix them as well. There is a report section where there is an MIS dashboard, and I can look at the data of IRNs which were generated, not generated, cancelled and failed. So this can be looked at a PAN level, or even at a GSTN level, or a branch level, and based on supply types and other filters. So this is the report section that we have. Then we also have reconciliation, where I can do a reconciliation between draft G1 versus sales. Then we have a whole lot of settings which are available, which can be changed, like the email settings, where I can set the reply names, reply to email and the templates. Then there are import settings, where I can set the custom mapper. Then there are e-bill settings, UPI settings. So there are a host of settings which can be modified and used as per convenience. This is the host of features that are available as a user in the new e-invoicing and e-bill product from ClearTax.
It will be a matter of time before e-invoicing gets extended to more businesses in India, and the penalties for non-compliance are hefty. Clear e-invoicing solution is not just lightning fast, it also ensures accuracy and reliability with 99.99% uptime. There are so many more features that we would love to tell you about that will take care of your e-invoicing generation and take it to the next level. To know more about Clear e-invoicing solution, please click on the link given in the description of this video to explore and get a personalized demo by one of our product experts. If you found this video useful, please subscribe to our channel to get clear explanations of finance concepts. Thank you.